Meaning of fortitude.
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 Fortitude. Fortitude refers to the courage and strength of character in facing adversity or difficult situations. It is the quality of being resolute in the face of challenges, remaining steadfast and determined even when things get tough. Possessing fortitude means having the ability to maintain one's composure and persevere in the face of obstacles or setbacks. It provides individuals with the mental toughness to endure hardship and challenges, and to remain focused on their goals despite any difficulties they may encounter. Ultimately, fortitude allows people to face their fears and overcome them, achieving success and personal growth.